This will all help us reach a very just conclusion of the matter. So we are very, very grateful for this, and we are also grateful for the people of Kenya for giving us this opportunity to serve in these positions. Thank you, and have a very nice afternoon. The court will adjourn. The date of the judgment will be given on notice. Thank you.
Before the court rises, I just want to seek a clarification. Yesterday, NTV in the prime time news indicated that the judgment will be delivered on 14th of February. I just want to get clarification from the court. Just a clarification.
I do not know where the Nation NTV got the date of 14th of February. I do not want to enter into that. The decision of the judges is that the judgment will be on notice. You'll be given a notice of when the judgment will be delivered.